All right, guys, we did a bunch of work on the coop over there. If people are tuning into this for the rat rod video, for the Ranchero video, I'll show you what we've been working on. So this one's been putting on pause. You'll see another video on this. Just short clips and stuff. Lady Lines has really been working on this, but that's that old green with yellow stripe or yellow flame Phaeton. Went down to Louisiana for upholstery and pinstriping and paint. Completely different car. So anyway, you'll see another video. Go over there to Lady Lines, Brittany Lady Lines, and check out her videos and stuff. Went to a car show and stuff. That was really neat. Anyway, we're back on the Ranchero now. I'm going to do the Patina stuff. I did get it from Vice Grip Garage, mostly because I wanted to enter for that Ford he was giving away. So we got it green, Scotch brighted all the way around. I wish I would have started before, but I think you guys remember it was kind of black and dingy and dirty, and now it's flat and all smooth. And we're gonna let her dry, hit it with wax and grease remover, and then put the patina on it. And we'll see what it looks like, because it's gonna go on that trailer on behind Lady Lines' truck down to Louisiana to get the final stuff done for cruising the coast. The seat is already down there with the upholster, and then my brother Drew is going to do the floor plans. We were going to do them, but we just ran out of time, and that trailer is going down empty, so I'm going to have him do them. And then that one spring perch in the back. Anyway, this is the prep for the patina, and we'll get it dried up, a little bit of taping, a little bit of wax and grease, and then we'll start putting the patina on. This is why old guys buy Corvettes, and why dad's got to make sure that the word is right. Oh. Anyway, here's the very chibi quick prep job. The trim is really nice on this, so we didn't want to get the patina stuff all over it and then have to clean it up later. So that's where we're going to be. Windows covered, edges covered, bumpers covered, just because we didn't want to mess with it and we had the stuff out. So we're going to wipe it down with wax and grease remover and put some stuff on it. All right. Oh, dude, that is making a world of difference. We're going to be able to two-coat McCluskey it if you wanted to.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
That is weird. It smells... What is it? It almost smells like fruity almost, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is crazy!
You might have to go around the front, bro. I mean, that's wet, but it's laying out like just beautiful. All right, one coat, let it set for 20 minutes, and then did a second coat. Super light. Did we use up half the jar on the whole thing, or did we use up 3/4? What?
That was a real live 3/4, 2 really good coats.
3/4 spray, nice light, 30 psi, something like that.
Yep. 1/4.
1/4 tip.
I did bigger than.
What did they say? 1/2, right?
Derek don't know shit.
Oh, it turned out really good. Now we're just gonna pull it in the garage and let it set and dry. See what it turns out like. Yeah. Happy. New radiator for the Ranchero. We're getting it it's draining. I didn't take the tranny lines off yet because I don't want to make that mess till I get all the water out. But we noticed a freeze plug was done.
Yeah, we don't want to piss the trannies off.
So got that out and cleaned up. Go back with the brass one. The other ones look fine, but we got a kit just in case, so if we need to use them, we can. But yep, we're doing a couple little things. We adjusted the brakes so they're The wheels will stop faster and easier. And we're just getting ready to go to Louisiana. It's gonna go down to my trailer for the floor pans. All right, so Waha Tache's all put back together. We cleaned, vacuum out the inside because the floor pans are gonna get done, but it's going down to Louisiana for the final work. My brother's gonna do the floor pans. I just didn't have time before it shipped down, and there's an empty trailer going down, so it's gotta go. Got the floor pans loaded up, but I wanted to clean this up, kind of get a good picture of what's going on. Everything in here. This back here is quite the mess. That's underneath the bed in the back. It looks like, I don't know, it's hard to say what actually caused this. There's inside the frame rail, you can see it's something. I tried to vacuum out as much as I could, but it can be a little bit of work rebuilding that frame rail. Tidying that all up in there. It's something. Good bit of work. I don't know why they chose to galvanize some things and not others. Probably money was the ultimate goal. Money saving. Anyway, here you go. It's not really the bed though. You can tell the bed's maybe leaking in there, but it's not, yeah, around the edges. So, possibly that. Anyway.
So that's where our water would be coming.
Thought I knew do another quick walk around it. This car's cool. We just took it around the block, make sure it shifted into third. We never checked that after we did the transmission. Oh, yep, she shifts nice and crisp. Got the brakes all adjusted so they no more skidding. I forgot to adjust them after I checked them all. New carburetor, so it starts up like a dream. And this is, it's not wet, it's that Patina. We sprayed it so it came out clear. So yeah, looking really good, but it's fixing to go on the trailer. I just wanted to get one last look at it on the outside. Won't be much different cruising the coast wise, except for floor pans. Floor pans and a new bench seat, or reupholstered. Probably clean up the inside a good bit, and maybe do some door panel work or find some door panels. Yep. All right.
Yep.
You can turn it on now.
Hired a new camera woman.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Dad, you watching the trailer?
I'm trying to miss my rocks.
Oh.
Not my car.
You got a car coming.
What are you doing? You're perfect. Straighten it out just a little bit. Straighten it out just a little bit. I'm looking good over here. Yeah, it looked good to me. Beautiful. You're good, you're good, you're good. Well, obviously, we're loading her up to head south. Everything's working good. Oh, listen to that thing run.
Over the front, so a little bit more. Good.
Well, that's that. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.